But you know I never had a brother growing up, right? And my dad was not very much. And all my friends go, I'm really criminal. So when I met you in school, I was, let's just say that I kind of looked up to you as well in college. And I really have looked up to you ever since. So there's something that you should know.